How to download App Store on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can download App Store on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. But for some reason, if on your iPhone you just happen to don't have the App Store app, first of all keep in mind that App Store cannot be deleted from your iPhone. It is always there. So if you're thinking that your App Store is actually not there, it's just that App Store is hidden. You might have accidentally hidden it by tapping on it, going to remove app, and then removing it from home screen. We have only removed it from our home screen. We haven't gone ahead and then deleted it completely, because that is simply not possible. App Store is a default application that comes with your iOS version. So for this, simply swipe to the app library section here. In the app library, just type in App Store here in this case, and you'll find the App Store application from the top, where you can just hold and drag on it and drag it to the place where you want to get it back. As you can see, it's not actually deleted or anywhere else. We don't have to download it. It is just there in the app library. It was just missing. Now if you still don't find it, you can just try giving it a simple update to your device. You can open up general, go to software update, check if your device has an update. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully this will have helped you to download the App Store on iPhone. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.